My name is Jessica. I am the manager here at the Arcos storage in Delhi. I have worked here for 3 years now. We are located at 9251 Stevens Street, right off of Highway 99, less than a half mile from the local 7-Eleven and U-Haul rental. What sets us apart at Arco Storage is not only our security and cleanliness, it's the fact that we treat every customer as if they are family. We offer drive-up as well as interior units to meet your storage and budget needs. Our sizes range from 5x5 to 12x40. All units are ground level for easy access. We also offer container storage. Our sealed tight containers ensure your belongings remain dust and dirt free. With keypad gate and roll-up door access, interior and exterior lighting with complimentary carts for your loading and unloading. Looking to store your travel trailer or boat? Our uncovered parking spaces range from 12x20 to 12x50. With perimeter security fencing, wide graveled driveways, digital keypad entry, and a dump station on site. We offer a full line of packing supplies starting at just 99 cents, including some of your harder to find items such as dish pack kits, shrink wrap, wardrobe boxes, and furniture covers. We also offer bundle deals at checkout for boxes. Come visit our office today. We would love to earn your business.